Hello everyone, myself Swati. Today we are going to discuss about analog circuit. In that our today's topic is related to DAC type. There is the first DAC type is binary weighted resistor and second DAC type is a R to 2R ladder. Now today we are going to discuss these two types in detail. Now let's see about that. Type of DAC. Many types of DACs are available in market. As previous lecture we have discussed, but these are the categorized in four types. That is a binary weighted resistor, second one is a R to 2R ladder, third one is a multiplier DAC, and fourth one is a non-multiplier DAC. Among them, weighted and R to 2R ladder are commonly used. Among these types or these categorization, two types of the DAC are used very commonly, that is a weighted and R to 2R ladder. Today we are focusing in this lecture related to weighted and R to R ladder DAC. Then first of all we are going to see about binary weighted resistor. For that binary weighted resistor we are applying binary number system. That means binary, the name itself indicates that. Bi means what? Two number system. Then two number systems are also always with respect to zeros and ones. That means 0 and 1, whatever the numbers are presenting in the string structure, that number system we call it as a binary number system. Just see here one op-amp is connected. For that op-amp circuit, for the inverting terminal of the op-amp, along with that reference voltage, that input voltage is connected along with that 4 resistors connected in series, in parallel with each other, and these resistors having the value, first resistor value is an R, and what is the second resistor value which is connected in parallel with this resistor is 2R, third one is a 4R, fourth one is a 8R. Like this 2 raised to n factor times that R value goes on, changes from MSB to LSB. Just see here, this circuit shows us this, and the current which is coming at this node is the summation of all the currents divided in that resistor types, and RLT is the feedback resistor which is connected towards from output to negative terminal, and this feedback is called as a negative feedback. Then the general concept related to binary weighted resistor, just see here, the utilizes a inverting weighted op-amp circuit, and weighted resistors are used to distinguish each bit from the most significant bit to last significant bit. Just see here, it is a most significant bit and it is a last significant bit. Along with each and every bit is connected towards that switch. When switch is closed, it will be act as a 1 number. When switch is in an open circuit, then it will be act as a 0 number. And these weighted resistors are related to binary weighted resistor number system. And the reference voltage is given as an input to each and every resistor. And these resistor configuration is related to R, 2R, 4R, 8R. That means R raised to n factor. Then binary weighted resistor are representation. Just see here. Here we are showing that most significant bit. Here we are showing last significant bit. And reference voltage is connected to each and every terminal. Then if suppose the circuit is connected, then that type of a condition is called as a set. And if suppose the switch is in a off condition, then we are considering that is the circuit is clear. That means the output related to that cleared situation is 0, and output related to closed loop, it is a set. Then what is the input given to this circuit? We are going to converting that input into decimal number system. Just here, if suppose here just see here also circuit is closed, here also circuit is closed, here also the circuit is closed, here also the circuit is closed. For that purpose, whatever the output introduced from that most significant bit to last significant bit is 1, 1, 1 and 1. And for that purpose, these number system, that is the input whatever applied here, that input is in the form of binary number system. For that purpose, whatever the output we are taking here, that output is nothing but output is related to that binary number system, and binary number system is converted into decimal number system by multiplying 10 to each and every term and adding. That means 2 multiplied by 10 and all these things we are converted, that 1110 into binary into decimal equivalent value related to 4 times 1 is 15. Then the output voltage analysis, how that output voltage is analyzed, just see here. Here the input is applied, that is a 4 resistors we have connected. Just I have represented. First resistor value is a 1.25, then second resistor value is a 2R. That means here we are doubling that value of R, that is a 2.5. Means 1.5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2.5 came into picture. Then next is a 4R. 4R means what? 1.25 is multiplied by 4, then whatever the value came into picture, that value is nothing but 5k. And if suppose last value is related to 1.25 is multiplied by that 8, then what is the value came into picture, that is a 10k. That means here R, 2R, 4R and 8R, these R's are connected parallel to each other, and during that switch condition, here the switch 1 means what? MSB to LSB connection is represented here. The one input signal is given to that terminology, then that means it is indicate that the switch is closed, and here also the switch is closed, and 0 means the switch is act as a open circuit, and here 1 is nothing but the switch act as a closed circuit. Apart from this, the reference voltage is connected here as a R3 along with the series connection, parallel connection of these 4 resistors. As we know, in every circuit, the whatever the feedback resistor we are connecting to that circuit, that feedback resistor is having too much higher value in comparison with the whatever the resistors are present in our circuit. Apart from that, the feedback resistor value is having greater value. For that purpose, greatest resistor which is connected in this circuit is a 10k. For that purpose, here we have taken R3, that is a feedback resistor value as a 10k, or it may be considered as a greater than 10k, but it does not be considered below 10k. And here through R4 resistor, the positive terminal, that is a non-inverting terminal of that op-amp, is connected towards that ground, and positive voltage supply as well as negative voltage supply with respect to ground and with respect to VCC is applied over here to pin number 7 and 4 respectively. And the 6th number pin for the op-amp is considered for the measurement of output. And by using these values and this resistor value, here we are getting -3 volt, -13 volt output voltage. How we are getting here as a -13 volt output voltage? Just see here the formula. The output voltage is equal to, we know what is the formula for that voltage. In general, voltage calculation formula is V out is equal to current into resistance. By using this formula, here we are multiplying that output voltage is equal to current into resistor, and we are getting here I have considered minus RF as it is. And what is the formula for I? Again we know what is the formula for I is equal to V divided by R. Then the current for this node, the current is the summation of all the incoming node currents, that is from R, 2R, 4R and 8R, whatever the current coming over here, here I am taking that summation of all these points, that is from MSB to LSB. That is first I is V1 divided by R related to R resistor, and for the 2R resistor it is a V2 divided by 2R, and for 4R resistor it is a V3 divided by 4R, and for 8R resistor it is a V4 divided by 8R. This is goes from MSB to LSB. Then what is the value given? Just see here, V out is equal to what is that reference voltage value? R reference, that is the R reference value is the given over here is a just see here RF means what? Feedback resistor value. Feedback resistor value here given as a 10k. Just put that value 10k over here. Then V1 is nothing but what is the voltage introduced by this? We don't know value what are these V1 voltage, but we know very well what is the value of that V1 taking outside. We are calculating the value of 10k divided by 1.25 because we know what is the value of R. Then again 2R value is 2.5 we have put it here. Then what about 4R value? Then 5k we have put it here. Then what about 8R value? 8R value is nothing but 10k we have put it here. And what is the input sequence? That input sequence related to that input voltage is also important. It is 1 1 0 1. Then multiplication of V1, V2, V3 and V4. What is the value of V1, V2, V3, V4? Just here. V1 is equal to 1, V2 is equal to 1, V3 is equal to 0 and V4 is equal to 1. Just to put it that value sequence just here. V1 is equal to 1, V2 is equal to 1, V3 is equal to 0 and V4 is equal to 1. And by multiplying and simplifying these equation, we are getting the output voltage value is equal to minus 13 volt. By using this formula, here I have written the output voltage which is came into picture related to binary weighted resistor is minus 13 volt. Then binary weighted resistor, more generally, how we are more generally calculating that binary weighted resistor value? Just see here. More generally, the final V out is equal to V out resolution, and resolution, we know the formula for the resolution is reference voltage divided by 2 raised to n minus 1. If suppose here for that example we are considering that reference voltage is a 13 volt, then the resolution for the 4-bit value is given by putting that value V reference, and for the n is equal to 4, what we are getting, just see here, V reference is nothing but 13 volt, 2 raised to n, that means 2 raised to 2 raised to 4 minus 1, that means 2 raised to 4 is nothing but what is 16 minus 1, that means 13 divided by 15. How much that value came into picture? It is nothing but 0.867. This is the resolution per bit million. This is the value for that resolution. Then binary pattern, that is a 1111 having a 15 volt as a input voltage. Then what is the output voltage came here? Just see 1.25U, 2.5U, 5UK and 10K. These are the resistor value, that is a R, 2R, 4R and 8R values. Then 10K is related to that RF resistor, that is a feedback resistor we are applied or connected in that circuit. Then values for the V1, V2, V3 and V4 is, just see here, for V1, V1, V2, 1, V3, 1, V4 also 1. And it is multiplied by that reference voltage. That reference voltage is here we are considering at the resolution factor. And what is that resolution factor came into picture here? 0.867. Just I have put that value, that is a 0.867 here. And whatever the calculated value came into picture, that is nothing but V out is equal to minus 13 volt. That means these two values are similarly. That means more generally, whenever we are considering the bit pattern, that is a 1111, then also the output voltage is a minus 13 volt. And whenever we are considering the bit pattern as a 1101, then also the output voltage bit pattern is having minus 13 volt output voltage. Then the binary weighted resistors having some advantageous point. What are the advantageous point related to that binary weighted resistors are? Just see here, advantageous point. Simple analysis, fast conversion. Then disadvantageous point related to binary weighted resistors are, these steps requires a wide range of accurate value of resistor. A 10-bit DAC needs a resistor ranging from R to R 10424, requires a low switch resistance in transistors usually limited to 8-bit resolution. Then next type of that DAC is R to 2R ladder. That means R to 2R combinationally connection. Just see here, we have connected R in a parallel manner and 2R in a series. R in a parallel manner, 2R in a series. R in a parallel manner, 2R in a series. For that purpose, this came the structure like a ladder. For that purpose, this type of a structure or this type of a circuit diagram is called as a R to 2R ladder DAC, digital to analog conversion. Just see here, whatever the modification or changes done over here also the positive terminal, that is a non-inverting terminal, is connected towards ground, and negative terminal is applied to these series connections of the number of input supplies along with that reference voltage. But here the R and 2R is seems like a ladder structure. For that purpose, it is called as a R to 2R ladder. And here also, from output to negative path, the RF is connected as a feedback resistor over that op-amp circuit. The problem with the weighted resistor DAC is solved only R to 2R ladder value of the resistors are required. That means there is the problem related to 2 raised to n minus 1 related to R values. That values goes on increasing and steps more sizes having half watt resistors also. Furthermore, for that purpose, here we have considered only R and 2R resistors. One resistor is a connected series and one resistor is a connected in a parallel manner. Like this, it forms a parallel-like structure, ladder-like structure, and it will be easiest way for the calculation of that DAC value. Along with this, the R to R ladder DAC general concept, just see here how that R to R ladder works. That it is used for that 4-bit converter. Here the reference voltage is applied to each and every bit, and here the one resistor R resistor is connected in a parallel series with a 2R in a parallel. All the 4 bits, that is a 2R to R connected in a parallel manner, and above R are connected into series. That means here the parallel and series combination of that R to 2R ladder. And bit number 0 to bit number 3, that means MSB to LSB bits are connected towards over here. Then each bit corresponding to a switch. That means each and every bit is a correspondent to a switch. That means everywhere the bit goes towards the a switch and it will be respond. Cases, bit is a low and bit is a high. These are the two cases related to that R to 2R ladder. When we are going to considering that bit is a low and when we are going to considering that bit is a high, if suppose the 0 output is occurred over here, then that type of output is considered as a bit is a low, and when suppose 1 is considered as a output stage, then that type of a bit is considered as a high. Then along with this, R to 2R ladder DAC, that means digital to analog converter, R to R ladder is a current dependent on bits position. The current is divided by a factor of 2 at each node. That means current is divided into 2 factors for that R to 2R ladder DAC. Here the current depends on the bits position. The current is divided by a factor of a at each node. That is a R to 2R ladder of a DAC. Just see here R are connected in a series, 2R is connected in a parallel, and along with that 2R, MSB to LSB binary inputs are given across each and every bit, and 2R resistor is connected as a feedback resistor. Just I have told, in every circuit the feedback resistor value must be greater than the resistor connected in that circuit or equal to whichever the highest value of resistor present in that circuit. Here just we have observed that highest value present in this circuit related to resistor is a 2R. For that purpose, the feedback resistor value is also considered over here as a 2R by using this rule. Then R to 2R ladder DAC analysis for the current from 001 shown below. That means here by using that R to 2R ladder circuit, here we are applying that is a R to 2R ladder DAC for applying that 001 input signal. For that 001 input signal, here the current passing through that 2R is I0 divided by 8. Here the current passing through that R is I0 by 4. Again from R is I0 by 2. It is related to 2R. Then again it is I0 by 2, I0 by 2, I0 by 2, I0 by 4 and I0 by 8. It is related to R to 2R ladder output. Then the op-amp input is connected towards that ground and reference voltage is connected across that 2R in series manner. Then R to 2R ladder DAC, that is the output analog voltage using Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Just here, see here, this is the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Just I have shown here that Thevenin's equivalent circuit is related to R to 2R ladder, and what is the value came into picture by using that Thevenin's equivalent circuit is E Thevenin is equal to applied voltage at node A is considered by the letter VA is equal to 2R0 into V divided by 2R plus 2R. It is nothing but R Thevenin is equal to, by calculating these values we are getting Thevenin's equivalent resistance is equal to resistance applied, plain resistance applied for that circuit, and that plain resistance applied for this circuit is nothing but R. Just I have shown here. Then next is related to similarly to R to 2R ladder DAC For that D is in a binary input. Binary input is having that is a value of 2 raised to n minus 1, that is a 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, like this. The total D binary weighted resistors value goes on increasing along with that reference voltage. And the feedback resistor having value, just I have told whatever the resistors are present in that circuit, the feedback resistor value must having greater value in comparison of that whatever the resistors are present over our circuit. Then this is the D is the output voltage, that is the output voltage V0 is divided by 16. Then practically R to 2R ladder DAC, how we are going to calculating that practically R to 2R ladder DAC, just here. Practically final V out is equal to V out resolution, that is the formula for the resolution calculation is resolution is equal to V0 divided by 2 raised to n minus 1. If output voltage is equal to 5 volt, then resolution for 4 bit is equal to 5 volt divided by 16 minus 1 is equal to 0.334. The binary 30 volt value, which is the example we have taken previously for this lecture, we have considered this slide by using these values. First of all, what is the value of R? R is nothing but 1.25. 2R is nothing but by multiplying 1.25 by 2 we are getting 2.5. By multiplying 1.25 by 4 we are getting 5k. Then by multiplying 1.25 by 8 we are getting 10k. Like this, here we have taken that R, 2R, 4R and 8R. We know very well what is the feedback resistor value. It is a 10k, 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 10k and 10k. Then the input binary sequence here we are applying, that is a 1101. For that purpose the reference voltage is here we have calculated by using practically, it is a 0.334. For that purpose output voltage came here by using that R to 2R ladder DAC is 4.342 volt. Then here some advantages point related to R to 2R ladder. Along with that binary weighted resistor, just see here only 2 resistor value, that is a R to 2R only we are using. Instead of a binary weighted resistor, there the resistor number value goes on varying from 2R raised to n, that is a R, 2R, 4R, 8R, 32R, 64R, like this. For that binary weighted resistor, R value goes on increasing, but here not like this, and it does not require higher precision resistor. For that purpose the resistor value is limited, that is only it is related to R and 2R. For that purpose it does not require any precision resistor value. And disadvantages point is related to this, that is R to 2R ladder is lower conversion speed than binary weighted resistor. For that purpose here only the 2 resistors are used for that role. For that purpose here the conversion speed is very low in comparison with binary weighted resistors. This is all about that R to R ladder and binary weighted resistor. These are the two types related to DAC, that is a digital to analog converter. I have finished over here. Okay, thank you.